Learn English by talking.
Hello and welcome to Learn English by Talking. Hi, everyone.
We're so glad you're here with us today.
My name is Sarah, and this is Mike. On this channel, we help you speak English every day, step by step.
Yes, we use simple English, slow speaking, and real-life examples.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us and other learners too.
Thank you so much. Now, today's topic is a very common English word.
Yes, the word is take. We use it all the time in English.
Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's confusing, but don't worry, we'll go slowly and learn together.
We'll practice listening, learn useful phrases, and have a friendly conversation.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
So, Mike, how are you today?
I'm good, Sarah, but I feel a little tired.
Oh, I see. Why are you tired today?
Well, this morning I needed to take a bus to work.
You took a bus this morning?
Yes, but the bus was late, so I had to wait for a long time.
Ah, I understand. So you took a bus and it took a long time.
Yes, exactly. The word take is everywhere.
That's right. We use take in many different ways.
Sometimes I hear the word take and I think, what does it mean now?
Yes, that happens to many learners. But today, we'll make it easy. Let's start with the most basic meaning of take.
Okay, I'm ready.
Mike, please take this book.
Okay, I take the book from you.
Good. What did you do?
I move the book from your hand to my hand.
Exactly. Take means to move or carry something.
I take my phone from the table.
Yes, I take my keys from my bag.
Perfect. I take money from my pocket.
Very good. That is the basic meaning of take.
Now let's talk about transportation, like buses and trains.
Yes, we say take a bus, take a train, take a taxi.
But why do we say take a bus?
Good question. You move yourself to another place.
So I take myself somewhere?
Exactly. You are the thing that is moving.
I take the subway to work.
Yes, I take a taxi when it rains.
Very natural English. But Sarah, we say drive a car, not take a car, right?
Good question again. If you are the driver, you drive. If you are a passenger, you take a car.
Ah, I see. Yesterday, my friend drove and I took his car to the city.
Yes, that sentence works very well.
My brain is taking a lot of information.
Yes, but you're doing great. Now let's talk about time.
Okay, I hear this a lot.
We often say it takes time. For example, it takes 20 minutes to get ready.
Yes, that means the activity uses that time.
Cooking dinner takes 1 hour.
Correct. Learning English takes time.
Yes, a lot of time.
Yes, but every day helps.
Can I say I take 30 minutes to get to work?
Yes, you can. I take a long time to choose my clothes.
That sounds like you in the morning.
Maybe a little.
Now, let's talk about money. Does take work with money too?
Yes, but sometimes we usually say cost for prices. This phone costs a lot of money.
Right. But we say it takes money to buy a house. That means you need money.
Exactly. Learning English takes time and money.
That's true, but practice is free here.
Now, let's talk about photos. We say take a photo, right?
Yes, always take a photo. But why not make a photo?
In English, we don't say that. Make a photo sounds strange.
So I take a picture.
Yes, I take a video on my phone.
Perfect. Now medicine. We say take medicine.
Yes, you take a pill. I take vitamins in the morning.
Very good.
What about food?
Good question. I take sugar in my coffee.
Yes, that means you add it.
In a restaurant, I say, I'll take the soup, please.
Exactly, that means you choose it.
Take can also mean accept, like take my advice.
Yes, or take my help.
Very good. I will gladly take your help.
Thank you, Sarah.
Finally, let's talk about common phrases, fixed phrases with take.
Yes. Take a shower, take a bath, take a break, take a nap, take a walk, take a look.
These are very common. You don't need to understand every word. Just learn them as phrases.
Perfect.
Now, let's move to our practice part. We call this practical examples.
Here we use take in real-life situations, small conversations you can use every day.
We will act them out. I'm ready.
Let's start.
Imagine you're a tourist. You're lost.
Okay.
Excuse me, how do I take the train to the museum?
You take the red line from this station. Go 5 stops.
Okay, how long does it take?
It takes about 15 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. So we used take the train and how long does it take?
Now let's go to a cafe.
Hello, what can I get for you today?
Hi, I'll take a large coffee, please, and a cheese sandwich.
For here or to take away?
To take away, please. I want to take it to the park.
No problem. That will be $6. Do you take credit cards?
Yes, I do. Here you are.
Thank you. Your order will take 2 minutes.
Great. So, I'll take means I choose, and takeaway means food to go.
Now, an important situation. You're at the doctor's office.
Hello, doctor. I don't feel well.
I see you have a fever. You need to take this medicine.
How do I take it?
Take 2 pills now, then take 1 pill every 8 hours.
Should I take it with food?
Yes, and you should take it easy for a few days. No work.
No work? I understand. Thank you. Good morning, Mike. You take a long time in the shower.
Sorry, I like hot water.
Can you take the toast out of the toaster?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Your bag looks heavy. Let me take it for you.
That's very kind. Thank you.
After breakfast, I need to take the dog for a walk.
And I will take out the recycling.
We are a good team.
Yes, many daily actions use take.
Hi, Mike. Do you have time this weekend?
Yes, I'm free on Sunday.
Great. Would you like to take a walk in the new park?
That sounds nice. Can we take some photos?
Yes, of course. We can take a picnic too.
Perfect. Should we take the 10 o'clock bus?
Let's take a later one. I want to take my time in the morning.
Okay, no rush. I'll take my hat for the sun.
Mike, can you take these reports to the manager?
Yes, I can take them now. But first, I need to take a phone call.
No problem. In the meeting later, can you take notes?
Yes, I can take notes. Will the meeting take a long time?
Maybe. It may take 1 hour.
If we are tired, we can take a 5-minute break.
Okay, I will take my notebook and pen.
Good idea. Take notes, take a call, take a break. All essential for work.
Now, Mike, let's go through essential phrases, but let's not just say them. Let's explain them a little.
That's a great idea. Let's make it a real conversation about each one.
You often say, I take a shower every morning. This means you have a shower. It's a fixed phrase for your daily routine, right?
You don't say, I make a shower or I do a shower. You take it.
Another routine one, it takes time to learn English. That means you need patience.
Excellent. Imagine you're on the phone for someone. You say, can I take a message for him?
That means you will write the message for the other person.
And if someone asks me to do something, I can say, I will take care of it.
Yes, that means I will handle it or I will be responsible for this task.
Now, a very polite one. Please take a seat.
This is a kind way to say, please sit down.
When you're shopping, you ask, do you take credit cards here?
That means, do you accept credit cards as payment?
And at work, you must remember to take a break.
That means to stop for a short time to rest.
A big life question is, What does it take to succeed?
This means, what is necessary to be successful? What qualities or effort do you need?
For daily travel, he takes the bus to work.
Simple. He uses the bus as his transportation.
If someone is upset by a joke, you say, don't take it personally.
That means, don't feel the joke or criticism is about you.
And for learning, I take English lessons online.
That means you participate in lessons. Now, Mike, let's move to our repeat after me section.
This is very important. We'll say a sentence and everyone should repeat it.
But maybe we should explain each one first so our friends know why it's useful.
That's a wonderful idea. We'll say the sentence, give a short explanation, and leave a quiet space for everyone to repeat.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's start with a very common one. I take the bus to work.
This is a simple sentence about your daily routine. It tells people how you travel.
Okay, everyone, repeat after me. I take the bus to work.
Good. Next one is about time. It takes 30 minutes.
You use this to say how much time you need for something.
Now you try. It takes 30 minutes.
Now a question about photos. Can you take a photo?
This is how you ask someone to use their camera or phone. Let's practice together. Can you take a photo?
Daily routine again. I take a shower in the morning.
This is how we describe that activity. Remember, we say take a shower or have a shower. Your turn. I take a shower in the morning.
Now a polite phrase. Please take a seat.
It's a kind way to offer someone a chair, more formal than sit down.
Please say it. Please take a seat.
A very kind and patient phrase. Take your time.
You say this when you don't want someone to feel rushed.
Repeat it. Take your time.
In a restaurant or shop, I'll take the soup.
This means I choose the soup, or I will have it. Okay, let's hear you. I'll take the soup.
A caring phrase. Take care of yourself.
It means do things to stay healthy and safe. We often say this when saying goodbye. Now you say it. Take care of yourself.
A true statement about learning. It takes practice.
This means you need to do something again and again to get better. Say it with me. It takes practice.
Now a nice suggestion. Let's take a walk.
This is an invitation to go walking together, maybe in a park. Your turn. Let's take a walk.
For health, I take vitamins.
This tells people about your healthy habit. Everyone repeat it. I take vitamins.
Good advice for life. Don't take it personally.
If someone is angry or rude, it means you should not think their anger is about you. Try saying it. Don't take it personally.
Excellent.
A very useful question. How long does it take?
Ask this when you want to know the time needed for something.
Everyone ask the question with me. How long does it take?
A necessary reminder. I need to take a break.
When you're tired from working or studying, you say this.
Say it with me. I need to take a break.
A great study habit. He takes notes.
This means he writes down important information.
Let's practice. He takes notes.
Encouraging someone. Take a chance.
This means try something new even if you're afraid.
Say it with me. Take a chance.
The classic friendly phrase, take it easy.
It means relax or don't work too hard.
Nice and calm. Take it easy.
Wonderful, Mike. I think everyone did a fantastic job today.
I think so too. The most important thing is to try.
Your pronunciation will get better every time you practice.
Exactly. Maybe practice one or two of these sentences every day. Use them in your life.
Well, Mike, look at the time. We've been talking for quite a while.
We really have. But it felt nice just talking about one little word.
It did, didn't it? A simple word like take.
And yet it opened so many doors in English.
Doors we can walk through every day because we take steps, right?
Using it again. I love it.
So let's wrap up. What did we do today, everyone?
We did a lot. First, we just talked naturally. We had a long conversation where we used take in many, many ways.
We talked about taking buses, taking time, taking photos, taking medicine, taking care, taking breaks, taking a chance, so many ways.
Then we looked at practical examples, little scenes from life where you can use these phrases.
Like ordering food, going to the doctor, making plans with a friend, real-life situations.
After that, we went through essential phrases. We didn't just list them, we explained what they mean and when to say them.
Then we practiced speaking. We asked you to repeat after us because speaking is how you make the language yours.
Listening is the first step, but speaking is the big step.
And you all did so well.
So our advice is this. Take it one day at a time.
Don't try to learn everything today. Just take one phrase.
Maybe just, I take the bus, or it takes time.
Say it to yourself today. Maybe even write it down.
Think, what am I going to take for lunch? Or tell a friend, I need to take a break.
That's how it becomes real. That's how you build confidence, little by little.
Remember, we are here with you. We are a community.
So please, talk to us.
Our question of the day is a simple one. We want to hear about your life.
Here it is. What is something that takes you a long time to do?
For example, I can say, for me, making a decision always takes a long time. I think too much.
And for me, taking the perfect photo takes me a long time. I want everything to look just right.
So what about you? What takes you a long time?
Is it cooking, learning a new word, your morning routine?
Please write your answer in the comments below. We read every single one.
We love to see your English and learn about your lives. It makes us so happy to connect with you.
Truly, you are the reason we make these videos.
So from the bottom of our hearts, thank you for spending your time with us today.
Thank you for learning, for practicing, for being here.
You are doing something amazing for yourself. Be proud.
Keep going. Take care of yourself and take it easy.
We'll see you next time for another Learn English by Talking lesson.
Bye for now.
Bye.